Website performance optimization is key to delivering a seamless user experience and improving search engine rankings. Mastering website performance optimization using SiteGround plugins is a great way to enhance your website's speed and overall user experience. In this video, we will show you how to master website performance optimization by using SiteGround plugins. Number 10. Install the SiteGround Optimizer plugin. To begin optimizing your website's performance, start by installing the SiteGround Optimizer plugin. This plugin offers a range of optimization features, including caching, image optimization, and code compression. Number 9. Enable dynamic caching. Dynamic caching is a crucial step in speeding up your website. Using the SiteGround Optimizer plugin, you can easily enable dynamic caching, which stores generated HTML copies of your web pages, reducing the time it takes to load them. Number 8. Enable static cache. By enabling the static cache feature, the SiteGround Optimizer plugin will store static components of your website, such as images, CSS, and JavaScript files, in the visitor's browser. This enables faster subsequent visits to your site, as the static components don't need to be reloaded. Number 7. Implement image optimization. Images can significantly affect your website's loading speed. The SiteGround Optimizer plugin offers image optimization capabilities, allowing you to compress and resize images without sacrificing quality. By optimizing images, you can reduce their file size and improve load times. Number 6. Leverage browser caching. Browser caching allows you to store some of your website's resources, such as images and style sheets, on the visitor's browser. This way, subsequent visits to your site can be faster, as these resources don't need to be downloaded again. SiteGround's caching plugins provide configuration options to leverage browser caching effectively. Number 5. Minify CSS and JavaScript files. The SiteGround Optimizer plugin allows you to minify CSS and JavaScript files, removing unnecessary characters, white space, and comments. Minification reduces file sizes, leading to faster loading times for these resources. Number 4. Optimize database tables. Regularly optimizing and cleaning up your website's database can improve overall performance. SiteGround's optimization plugins offer features to optimize and repair your database tables, removing unnecessary data and improving database performance. Number 3. Security Optimizer plugin. The Security Optimizer plugin is a powerful tool offered by SiteGround to enhance the security of your website. It scans your website for vulnerabilities, provides real-time threat monitoring, and offers proactive measures to protect against malicious attacks. It also offers features like firewall protection, spam filtering, and regular backups to ensure the safety of your website's data. Number 2. SiteGround Migrator plugin. The SiteGround Migrator plugin is a helpful tool to simplify the process of transferring your website to their hosting platform. It allows you to seamlessly migrate your website with just a few clicks, ensuring a smooth transition without any data loss or downtime. The plugin makes website migration hassle-free, saving you time and effort. Number 1. Speed Optimizer plugin. The Speed Optimizer plugin is a fantastic tool to enhance the performance of your website. It optimizes various aspects like image loading, code optimization, and caching, resulting in faster page load times. This plugin helps improve user experience, boost search engine rankings, and increase conversions by ensuring your site loads quickly and efficiently. By following these 10 steps and utilizing the SiteGround Optimizer plugin and related plugins, you can effectively master website performance optimization. Achieving a fast-loading website not only enhances the user experience, but also boosts your search engine rankings, leading to increased traffic and engagement. That's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you haven't already, then don't forget to subscribe and press that like button. Also, hit the bell icon, so you could never miss new updates from us. Thank you for watching, and we will meet you in the next one.